Did you know that India is home to some of the most flavorful and delicious dishes in the world? From spicy curries to savory tandoori chicken, Indian cuisine is full of flavor and variety. In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best Indian recipes that will make your dinner table a flavor-packed experience. 1. Butter chicken. This creamy and flavorful dish is a favorite among Indian food lovers. It's made with marinated chicken cooked in a rich tomato-based sauce and finished with a dollop of butter. 2. Samosas. These deep-fried pastries are filled with a savory mixture of potatoes, peas, and spices. They make a great appetizer or snack. 3. Tandoori chicken. This classic dish is marinated in yogurt and spices, then cooked in a tandoor oven. The result is juicy, flavorful chicken that's perfect for dinner. 4. Chana masala. This spicy chickpea dish is a staple of Indian cuisine. It's made with a blend of spices, tomatoes, and onions. 5. Aloo gobi. This vegetarian dish is made with potatoes, cauliflower, and a blend of spices. It's a great side dish or main course. 6. Naan. This traditional flatbread is made with flour, yogurt, and ghee. It's perfect for scooping up curries and other dishes. 7. Dal makhani. This creamy lentil dish is a favorite among Indian food lovers. It's made with a blend of spices and cooked until it's thick and creamy. 8. Biryani. This flavorful rice dish is made with a blend of spices, vegetables, and meat. It's a great main course for dinner. 9. Paneer tikka masala. This dish is made with cubes of paneer cheese cooked in a spicy tomato-based sauce. It's a great vegetarian option for dinner. 10. Raita. This cooling yogurt-based dish is made with cucumbers, tomatoes, and spices. It's the perfect accompaniment to any Indian meal. These 10 recipes are sure to make your dinner table a flavor-packed experience. So why not give them a try tonight? Thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the 2 new videos we upload every day for free. By subscribing, you'll get informative and entertaining content every day. See you in our next video.